Here's Ellie. She's playing with her toy. This is a new thing that she just started doing. She's touching it and checking it out. What you got there, Ellie? Oh, she's very interested. God bless you. Hi, pretty. Hi. You keep playing with your toy. Good girl. You're so smart. Yeah, you're so smart. Oh. Hi. Say hi to Grandma and Grandpa. And Grandma. And your aunties. Yeah. That's fun, huh? Uh-oh. You more. Oh, there you go, grabbing it. Good girl. What's that silly bird doing? What's that silly bird doing, huh? Here. Check him out. Yes. Oh, she's very smart. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.